I'm building a PC for my girlfriend using only leftover parts that I've got just laying around the house. But the only problem with that is that we just moved and I don't know where anything is. And if for some reason I can't find any of the parts that I'm supposed to be using for the build, then I've got to spend the night out on the roof. Alright, so first we're gonna have to get the motherboard. That's the word. I cannot remember where I put it. Not quite sure where I put the motherboard. Thinking maybe it's not that. Pesto, do you know where the motherboard is? Yeah, I think she's right. It's in the kitchen. I definitely left it in the kitchen. Don't mind the mess. Don't judge. Right? It's on in there. Ah! There it is. Alright, so we're gonna need this bad boy and pesto. Any input?
CPU. Dishwasher.
Where is it? The dishwasher? Ah, look at that! You were right, Pesto. We got a Ryzen 3 3200G that we're gonna throw in this bad boy. And if I'm not mistaken, there should be RAM somewhere. I don't think the RAM's in the kitchen. If I had to guess, I'd say the RAM. I definitely left it in like an entryway of some sort. There it is.
Hello there.
Got 16 gigabytes of DDR4, 3000 megahertz. Heck yeah. All right, so we got the first three things we need, I guess. Drop that bad boy in, and there she flows. Click in the Rammy boys. She doesn't have the snappy boys. I got just the thing for this. I left another cooler in my Black Widow promotional popcorn tin with my paper plates and my PS4 controller, and there it is. We got the Deep Cool Boy. Cool is on. Now I gotta go find the case. So I figured something's probably down here. There's like a million places things could be hidden. I think the last time I was doing laundry, I was also using the PC case. Gotta be in the washer, right? That is empty. Not in the sink. Gotta be in here, right? Ah! I knew it! I called it. What do we got in here? That fell off. We got, oh, this is the mother load, boys. We got a mouse, PSU cable extensions. That's where the IO shield was. I think we're gonna do this. We're gonna get everything. We found some stuff. We got this case, it's a friend of mine's case, it's a little dusty. Here's an HDMI cable, we'll need that later. Now I'm gonna put this in that and see where we need to go from there.
20 minutes later.
So the power supply, we need to find the power supply. It's not there. All right. I don't hear it. Nope. Is it in your treats, Pesto? Wait, what was that? It's where? She was right! It was in the Christmas train. So that's what we're gonna be using there. And if I... Do you hear that? That's the... I hear wind? Where's that coming from? Yeah. Sounds cold. Ha! We got fans! I knew I heard something in there. Now that we got the power supply, I can throw that into the case here. I really just do not want to sleep on the roof, so I'm hoping this all pans out. Only fans? More like I have two fans. One's gonna go on like that. Look, Mom, I have two fans. That should be good. So we're in the basement again. I have a theory that the graphics card might have made its way down here somehow. Not exactly sure. He likes to do his thing. He likes to roam. Keep an eye out if you see an XFX 5500 XT 8 gig, because that is what we're looking for today.
Want a Sprite cranberry?
Not in the breaker box. Pardon me, sir. It's not in there. Just gonna close that back up. I think it's in the scary room. All right. I don't like going in here. I knew it! There you are, you little bastard. Right where I expected you'd be. Let's put you in the computer. Do not go in there again. And now that we're still down here, I thought I heard discs whirring a little bit ago. We've got this door here. I've never gone in it. I don't know, because it's locked. I'm one to respect locks, typically. But today we're gonna break that moral code of mine, and we're just gonna see what happens. I think we're good, nothing bad happened. We have a third bathroom? Ah! There it is. We got 2 laptop hard drives right here. 2 terabytes, 750 gigs. These will come in handy. One of the last times I'm gonna walk up and down those stairs. I think throw this pesky little dude in there. It helps if you take off the little boy over here. Okay, so we're getting pretty close to finishing this thing up. Right now, I've got the 2 laptop hard drives I found mysteriously in the basement. One is 2 terabytes, one's 750 gigs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the bigger one in with a little regard to anything. Find a SATA, plug her in. That plugged into the motherboard. How I like to deal with these laptop hard drives, you know, they're meant to be thrown around in a device that's going places, you're putting it in the car. So I'm just gonna, in the true spirit of that, I'm just gonna shove it down here in the bottom. And hopefully that'll be fine. All right, she's ready. I just need a monitor. It's not down there. Where is the monitor? I'm just not seeing it. That's not it. Pesto? Do you know where the monitor is, Pesto? Can you tell me? Oh, it's that! That makes a lot of sense. Thank you, Pesto. Alright, let's rock and roll. Alright, we got the stuff. Let's plug her in real fast before the camera dies, alright? I'm gonna sleep on the roof. I'm probably missing something. It's not gonna turn on. It's the end of the world. Plug that in. If it turns on, I'm good. We can worry about all the rest later. Dude, come to the floor. Just not turn it on. Is it the cable? Oh, I'm stupid. I didn't plug in the front panel stuff. Well, fellas, the unthinkable happened. I believe the power supply has blown. The old girl won't turn on. Power supply won't light up. Power button won't work, obviously, because there's no power going to the power supply. Everything's wired correctly. I fixed the front panel, but it looks like, unfortunately, K-Swizzle's gonna be sleeping on the roof. I'll see you there. All right, we're getting just about to sunset. I'm gonna set up shop outside. And of course, my failures come with me. Do I really have to go to bed? It's like 6 o'clock. And this is I have to let... Like and subscribe if you want to see this work.